Today I will be explaining the standard algorithm for subtraction, and the numbers that I chose were 962 minus 685. So since we have 3-digit numbers, we are going to be making a ones, tens, and hundreds column. The number I'm starting with is 962, so I'm going to draw that out using base blocks. So first we have 900, so we're going to draw 9 large cubes. And in a large cube there is 10 longs in it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we have 6 longs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there are 10 ones in a long. And then we have 2 ones, and we're going to represent that by a small cube. Now we are working to take away 685. So 5 is bigger than 2. So we need to go to the tens column, and we're going to exchange a long, which is worth 10, for 10 ones. So then we're going to bring 10 ones over here. And then you can't take away 8 from 6. So we're going to break apart 100, and 100 is made out of 10 sets of 10. So we're going to take 1 away, and then we're going to put 10 longs in the tens column. Now we are ready to solve. So we are going to take 5 away from the ones column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we are going to take 8 longs away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we are going to take 600 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that leaves us with 200. So your final answer is 277. So now I'm just going to solve it using the standard subtraction algorithm. 962 minus 685. So we line up the place values, and if the number on the bottom is bigger, then you're going to have to borrow. In this case, 5 is bigger than 2, so you borrow from the next column to the left. We're going to cross out this 6 and put a 5. And then essentially you have 6 tens, and you are going to take away 1 and give it to the ones column to make 10 ones. So that's going to be 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. And then 8 is greater than 5. So we're going to take 100 away. This is going to become 8. And then we're going to bring 1 over here, so that becomes 15. And then 15 minus 8 is 7. And then 8 minus 6 is 2. So we got the same answer both ways. The subtraction algorithm consists of subtracting first the ones, then the tens, then the hundreds, and so on. It can be illustrated by using the expanded form of numbers. It is important to subtract from the right to left in one place column at a time.